What is up people, this is Blue Rhino here and welcome back to another episode of Rhino Surviving. In the last episode we finally got some animals, which is good, and I don't mind having a next sheep. And where's the chicken? Oh, there it is. Anyway, today in this episode we're going to be making like some kind of like sort of like a big party. So to do that, I need to get everything ready before sale. So let's see what we need. Right, I think it is in that one. Is that all I want? No, I don't think it is. There it is. Lots of. Let's see if I got some. No, idiots! Wasted all the diamonds. Let's see if we got some in here. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you all of you about this last episode, but I don't have any time. I guess that's it for now. Didn't actually explore it a lot, so yeah. Okay. Forget about that, let's just start building it. And to do that we're going to need a lot of wood, or anything. 64 wood. That's all we're going to need. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Okay, this is still gonna be like one ginormous pool. I hope this is right. Perfect. Let's hope I can do this right. If I run out of with plants, they'll just use anything what's available. Yep. I knew if that wasn't the last one. No. Perfect. Not fair. Well, yeah, up there is gonna be like play area. Well, not play area, but I think you know what I mean, like as in music display place. I use cobblestone first, just in case. God, don't, it's sort of like the one thing you don't want to use. Let's go with this up. Hopefully I'll get this done. I hope I got some iron buckets. I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah, I did. First. don't know. Yeah, it'll be on. No, I got an iron bucket somewhere. Yep. Do I should have. I remember having it. I think it's in one of the other chests. And people are right back. Sorry people, I'm back. Anyway, let's come on finding it. I remember that I did have it, but I don't know where I put it. I was supposed to have chests up there. And sorry. Well, I remember having a chest somewhere. Put that back. Anyway. Is it in here somewhere? There is something like this. Oh wait, I think that's it. Yep. Ah, a diamond. Someone must have lifted it there. Which is actually good, because I really needed a diamond. First off, well, first off, let's collect some water. I really need some. Let's quickly do this. Still gonna need a few more, but I'm pretty sure I'll get the pull done in time. Sadly I don't have any helpers today, but it doesn't matter. What does matter is getting this done. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna need some wood, but first, should I take a nap? No, I'm okay. You sure they won't spawn yet? I'll take a nap once I collect some wood. I don't know, how many was it? Was it 8 wood? I don't know. Can't quite remember. I'll find that one, so dig up all this. Oh, that was close. I actually thought that was like a mob or something. I'll quickly make it. Music days. For now, I'll put that on here and quickly take a rest. And there's a wild wolf. I don't want to get, but oh, wild wolf, I swear to God. Oh, phew. I don't know if all these sheep's coming from. Ouch, what am I getting hit by? Oh God. Oh, 3 wolves. Leave my farm alone, mates. Oh, you know what's good for you. You know what, I'm just gonna leave it. Wait, do I need any more water? No, no. I'll just use this stuff for now. Okay, I'm gonna collect my wood. Move out of the way. You could probably go on a diamond count. But you need one. Not really badly. I'm sure I got some food. And there's a skeleton right there just chilling in the water. Oh. Boom. this is going to be my last episode for today. So hopefully you enjoy. I'm going to quickly, actually I can't run back, so I'm going to like quickly walk back as fast as I can. I don't have time to cut some more trees down. It's almost the end of the video. No, I don't have time. I'm going to quickly head back. Oh yeah, I forgot to fix that hole. Wait, what's that? Making sure all my that one has isn't probably filled up with diamonds. I'll make it one high, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna end the video here, people, because it's almost time and I'll see you later. Bye.